Hi, in this video I'll show you Flutterflow versus Flutter comparison and which one of them is better. So we have in here a table. For the feature we have the type, Flutter is open source UI while Flutterflow is a no-code platform. So just choose which one you want for those. For development, Flutter has traditional coding, Flutterflow has visual interface. For the programming language, Flutter uses Dart, and Flutterflow generates Dart code from visual outputs. For the control, Flutter needs granular control over every aspect. Flutterflow has limited control and focus on simplicity. So Flutter is also highly customized, while Flutterflow is limited customization because it's a no-code platform. For the performance, Flutter is fine-tuned, while Flutterflow is rapid prototyping. Flutter is slower due to manual coding, and Flutterflow is actually faster due to free-built components. So for the learning curve, is actually harder for beginners for Flutter, while Flutterflow is user-friendly for beginners. So it actually has an extensive support for various packages, which is the Flutter one, and Flutterflow has remote integrations available. Flutter has a large community, while Flutterflow has a growing community. So ask yourself, are you a beginner? Because if you're a beginner, I recommend you to use Flutterflow. But if you have knowledge on coding, just head over and choose Flutter. So that's all there is today, and hope this video help you out.